Have you ever stepped into a senior's home and instantly felt a sense of calm and warmth? It's not just about tidy floors or neatly arranged bookshelves, it's the result of daily habits that prioritize cleanliness, organization, and peace of mind. These small, consistent actions create inviting spaces that radiate comfort and care. From tidying up before bed to embracing smart storage solutions, seniors with perpetually clean homes have mastered the art of turning simple routines into a lifestyle. Let's uncover the secrets behind these habits and explore how they can transform any home into a haven of tranquility. One of the simplest yet most impactful habits that seniors with clean homes embrace is tidying up before bed. This nightly ritual involves dedicating just 10 to 15 minutes to small tasks that restore order and create a peaceful start to the next day. For example, Henry, a retired teacher, spends his evenings washing dishes, fluffing sofa cushions, and taking out the trash if it's full. These quick actions ensure he wakes up to a clean and inviting space, free from the stress of unfinished chores. Henry also includes a calming touch to his routine by lighting a scented candle and ensuring the entryway is clutter-free in case of early visitors. This habit is not about achieving perfection but about setting a positive tone for the day ahead. By addressing minor messes at night, seniors like Henry eliminate morning chaos, making their homes feel serene and their lives more organized. The clean as you go philosophy is a cornerstone of tidy homes among seniors. Instead of allowing messes to pile up, they tackle small tasks immediately, preventing clutter and maintaining order effortlessly. Margaret, a retired librarian, embodies this approach. She wipes down kitchen counters after cooking, rinses dishes and loads them into the dishwasher right after meals, and never leaves a room without taking something back to its rightful place. In the bathroom, she quickly wipes the sink and mirror after brushing her teeth to prevent grime buildup. For Margaret, these small, consistent actions make a big difference, saving her from overwhelming cleaning sessions later. Her motto is simple: why delay what takes just a few seconds now? This habit keeps her home perpetually clean and stress-free, proving that addressing messes as they happen can turn tidying up into a seamless, manageable part of daily life. Decluttering continuously is a key habit that seniors with clean homes swear by. Rather than waiting for a big decluttering event, they make it a regular part of their lives. Clara, a retired artist, follows the one in, one out rule whenever she buys a new item. She donates or discards an older one. She also keeps a donation box in a convenient spot, ready to collect items she no longer needs. For Clara, decluttering is not just about removing excess but creating a space that feels open and calming. She approaches it slowly, tackling one drawer, shelf, or corner at a time, ensuring the process is stress-free. This steady effort keeps her home organized without feeling overwhelming. By letting go of things that no longer bring joy or serve a purpose, Clara has created a clutter-free space that feels light, functional, and deeply satisfying. Focusing on high-traffic areas is a smart strategy seniors use to maintain the appearance of a perpetually clean home. Rather than striving for spotless perfection everywhere, they prioritize spaces used most frequently, such as the kitchen, living room, and bathroom. William, a retired engineer, keeps these areas tidy with a daily routine. After each meal, he wipes down kitchen counters and ensures the sink is free of dishes. Before bedtime, he gives the living room a quick once-over, straightening cushions and tidying up the coffee table. Bathrooms get daily attention, with a quick wipe of the sink and a swish of the toilet brush to keep them fresh and inviting. William also focuses on first impression areas, like the entryway, ensuring they are always clutter-free for guests. By targeting these high-traffic zones, he creates a sense of cleanliness throughout the house, proving that small, focused efforts make a big impact. Establishing a productive morning routine is a game-changer for seniors with clean and organized homes. Nora, a retired school principal, starts her day with simple yet effective tasks that set a positive tone. Each morning, she makes her bed, instantly transforming the bedroom into a neat and inviting space. She then opens the windows for a few minutes to let in fresh air, creating a sense of renewal and reducing any stale odors. With a cup of coffee in hand, Nora tackles light chores, such as unloading the dishwasher or putting away items left out the night before. These small acts not only keep her home tidy but also give her a sense of accomplishment early in the day. Nora views her routine as more than just cleaning, it's a peaceful ritual that builds momentum for the hours ahead, proving that a structured morning can lead to a productive and fulfilling day. Smart storage solutions are a cornerstone of maintaining a clutter-free home, and seniors with tidy spaces know this well. James, a retired architect, swears by labeled bins, baskets, and multifunctional furniture to keep his home organized. In his living room, a sleek ottoman doubles as storage for blankets and magazines, ensuring the space remains cozy yet uncluttered. In the closet, James uses labeled containers to separate seasonal clothing, making it easy to find what he needs without rummaging. His pantry features clear plastic bins that keep food items visible and accessible, reducing waste and frustration. For smaller items like remote controls or reading glasses, James keeps a stylish basket on the coffee table, blending function with aesthetics. These solutions not only save time during daily tasks but also make the home feel open and inviting. James believes that smart storage is the secret to effortless organization and lasting peace of mind. Breaking tasks into smaller, manageable chunks is a simple yet powerful habit that keeps seniors' homes clean without feeling overwhelming. Rose, a retired nurse, has mastered this approach by setting a timer for just 15 minutes each day. During this short window, she focuses on one specific task: organizing a bookshelf, wiping down countertops, or vacuuming a single room. Once the timer goes off, she can either stop, knowing she's accomplished something, or continue if she feels motivated. This method makes cleaning less daunting and more sustainable, turning large chores into achievable goals. Rose loves the flexibility it offers, allowing her to maintain a tidy home without dedicating entire days to cleaning. Her philosophy is simple: small steps add up over time. By breaking tasks into bite-sized portions, Rose ensures her home remains inviting and clutter-free, proving that consistent, focused efforts can make a world of difference. Keeping cleaning supplies easily accessible is a game-changing habit for maintaining a tidy home. Edward, a retired mechanic, ensures his cleaning tools are always within reach by strategically placing them throughout his house. Under each sink, he keeps a microfiber cloth and a small bottle of multi-surface cleaner for quick touch-ups, making it easy to wipe down counters or tackle spills on the spot. In his kitchen, a neatly organized cabinet houses essential supplies, such as dish soap, sponges, and a small broom, ensuring nothing gets overlooked. Edward also uses a portable cleaning caddy filled with all-purpose tools, which he carries around for more intensive sessions. By reducing the effort needed to locate supplies, Edward eliminates excuses and makes cleaning a seamless part of his daily routine. His approach shows that a simple adjustment, keeping tools handy, can transform cleaning from a chore into an effortless, consistent habit. Bringing nature indoors is a simple yet effective way to make a home feel fresh, vibrant, and inviting. Alice, a retired florist, believes in the transformative power of greenery and flowers to enhance her living space. She keeps a variety of low-maintenance plants, such as succulents and peace lilies, which not only add beauty but also improve air quality. Each week, Alice clips a few blooms from her garden to place in vases around her home, brightening up her dining table, kitchen counter, or bedside table. She also cultivates a small herb garden on her windowsill, providing fresh ingredients for cooking and a connection to nature. These small touches create a sense of calm and warmth, turning her home into a sanctuary. Alice's philosophy is simple: a touch of greenery makes any space come alive. Her routine inspires others to embrace nature's charm for a cleaner, more peaceful atmosphere. Turning cleaning into a joyful or relaxing activity is a clever way to make it less of a chore and more of a rewarding experience. Charles, a retired musician, has perfected this art by pairing his cleaning routines with things he loves. He often listens to his favorite jazz playlist or an engaging audiobook while scrubbing floors or dusting shelves, transforming mundane tasks into enjoyable moments. To make it even more fun, Charles occasionally invites friends over for a clean and catch-up session, where they tackle each other's homes while chatting over coffee. For Charles, these gatherings turn decluttering into a social event, creating both a cleaner space and cherished memories. His approach shows that by adding an element of joy, whether through music, conversation, or creativity, cleaning can become a form of self-care, leaving both your home and your mood refreshed and uplifted. Designating a weekly deep cleaning day is a powerful strategy that seniors use to maintain their homes in top condition without feeling overwhelmed. Helen, a retired teacher, dedicates her Saturday mornings to tackling more intensive cleaning tasks. She starts with the refrigerator, discarding expired items and wiping down the shelves. Then moves on to scrubbing kitchen floors or dusting high shelves. Each week, she rotates her focus to different areas, ensuring every part of her home gets attention over time. This structured approach helps Helen prevent grime buildup and keeps her home feeling fresh and organized. By setting aside a specific day, she eliminates the mental burden of deciding when to clean, making it a seamless part of her routine. Helen finds satisfaction in seeing the results of her efforts, and her method proves that a little weekly discipline can go a long way in creating a clean, welcoming environment. Maintaining a regular laundry schedule is a simple yet effective habit that keeps a home organized and clutter-free. Robert, a retired accountant, swears by his structured routine. Mondays are dedicated to washing clothes, while Fridays are reserved for linens and towels. By sticking to a schedule, he avoids the overwhelming sight of laundry piling up and ensures clean essentials are always available. Robert takes it a step further by folding and putting away each load immediately, keeping his laundry area neat and efficient. To save time, he uses a timer to remind him when it's time to switch loads, preventing forgotten items from sitting in the washer. This rhythm not only keeps the process stress-free but also contributes to the overall cleanliness of his home. Robert's system proves that with a little consistency, laundry can transform from a dreaded chore into a manageable and rewarding part of daily life. Incorporating seasonal maintenance into daily habits is a proactive way to keep a home in excellent condition year-round. Emily, a retired nurse, has made this a cornerstone of her routine. Every spring, she schedules HVAC cleaning to ensure her home stays comfortable and dust-free during warmer months. She also thoroughly cleans her windows and screens, letting in more natural light and giving her space a refreshed feel. During summer, Emily focuses on her outdoor areas, wiping down patio furniture and sweeping porches to maintain a welcoming exterior. In colder months, she inspects her wardrobe, swapping out seasonal clothing and organizing storage. These periodic tasks prevent long-term wear and tear and keep her home feeling vibrant and well-maintained. Emily sees seasonal cleaning not as a chore but as a way to celebrate the change in seasons, ensuring her living space is always a source of comfort and joy. Creating designated zones for activities is a brilliant way to maintain organization and functionality in a home. George, a retired carpenter, has transformed his living space by assigning specific areas for different purposes. His reading nook features a cozy chair, a small side table, and a neatly arranged stack of books, creating a peaceful retreat for relaxation. In another corner, George has set up his crafting station with labeled bins for supplies, ensuring everything has its place. His exercise zone includes a yoga mat and resistance bands, always ready for use, which motivates him to stay active without disrupting the flow of his home. By keeping these zones organized and purposeful, George ensures that each activity remains enjoyable and that his home stays clutter-free. His method not only simplifies daily routines but also enhances the overall harmony of his living space, making it both functional and inviting. Viewing cleaning as an act of self-care and gratitude transforms it from a chore into a meaningful ritual. Mary, a retired counselor, approaches her cleaning routines with this mindset, finding joy and purpose in maintaining her home. For Mary, tidying up the kitchen each night is more than just a task, it's a way to honor the warmth and nourishment her space provides. She often reflects on her mother's care while cleaning, turning an ordinary activity into a moment of connection and gratitude. Mary also finds that a clean, organized space reduces her anxiety and creates a sense of control in her daily life. By treating her home as an extension of herself, Mary infuses her cleaning routines with love and intention. Her approach reminds us that maintaining a tidy space isn't just about aesthetics, it's about fostering peace, mindfulness, and a deeper appreciation for the sanctuary we call home. A clean and organized home is more than just a reflection of good habits, it's a source of peace, joy, and personal fulfillment. From tidying up before bed to creating purposeful zones, these daily and seasonal practices aren't just about maintaining a neat space, they're about fostering a lifestyle of mindfulness and gratitude. Imagine waking up each day in a home that energizes and inspires you, where every corner feels intentional and inviting. What small change can you start today to bring that sense of harmony into your own space? Whether it's clearing a cluttered shelf or introducing a new plant to your living room, these simple steps can transform your home and your mindset. Share your favorite cleaning habits or tips in the comments, we'd love to hear your story. Remember, your home is a reflection of your care and love for yourself and your surroundings.